If you're repairing panels or restoring a car, it's pretty much a guarantee you're going to need body filler. However, which one you use will vary depending on the repair. So today we're going to deep dive on Eastwood's newest line of contour body fillers. Starting off with the heavy hitter, our short strand body filler is going to be what you rely on for your most involved repairs. This is your weld seams, small holes, or anywhere you need to build up thickness quickly. The filler itself is reinforced with fiberglass strands, making it structurally more sound than non-reinforced polyester fillers. This is great because it means you can build a sturdy foundation, waterproof seams, and the repair will hold up a long time. Now, if you've ever used fiberglass reinforced filler before, you know when you start sanding, it can be a real pain to knock this stuff down, as the flip side of it being strong is that it's incredibly hard. Well, with our newest formula, we have improved the sandability without sacrificing strength, meaning you can still get all the benefits of this sturdy filler, but not burn through tons of sandpaper and arm strength blocking it afterwards. Next up on our list is going to be our lightweight body fillers. This is your standard filler that is going to cover about 90% of your repairs. So when your metalwork is within an 1/8 inch of correct, or you're moving on from the previous fiberglass step, this is what you're going to reach for. Now, our standard lightweight filler is going to be able to handle just about anything you throw it on, but we also offer it in a premium version. This premium version is nice as it spreads and sands a bit easier and is virtually pinhole free. Additionally, we also have a flexible variant. So if you're working on a newer car or doing a repair on your plastic bumper, this might be what you want to grab instead. That way your repair will flex with the part and be far less likely to crack and fail over time. Last up is our lightest duty filler, our premium finishing glaze. If you're doing a high-end restoration, have a panel with a ton of lightweight filler on it, or find that your work has pinholes, this is the filler you're going to want to grab. Our finishing glaze is much thinner than a regular filler itself. It's self-leveling and will flow out like a liquid. You'll also find it spreads and sands much easier than the previous fillers we mentioned. This makes it perfect to use as the final step in bodywork, as it will guarantee you don't have any imperfections in the filler itself. So if you want a little extra insurance, or your bodywork is straight but has some heavy sanding scratches or pinholes, pick some of this up too. All of these are offered in various sizes, so you can pick up the exact amount you need for your job. Now, for all of these, you're also going to want to grab a mixing board and some spreaders. We offer a couple different options, but my personal favorite is our quick mix board that has tear-off sheets. These make cleanup quick and easy and guarantee you always have a clean mixing surface. If that's not your cup of tea, we have a bunch of other options to fit every preference. Eastwood has been creating products for the auto body industry for over 45 years, and we've taken everything we've learned so far and put it into our newest round of fillers. So whether you need our heavy-duty short strand filler or just a touch of our finishing glaze, you know that we've got you covered. To learn more about any of our tools and products, just head over to eastwood.com.